I have an unboxing again. This piece is something I've been thinking about in my head, and as you know, everybody's got a wish list in the luxury goods community, and this is something that I've been thinking about, but I wanted it in pink so bad. I wanted a pink bag, and finally I decided to go to the store, and I was looking at a few of the pink bags and other things, but this piece here for some reason caught my eye. I left the store in for a week I just thought about it and I couldn't get it out of my head. I wasn't sure if that was the metal that I wanted. I wasn't sure if that was the color I wanted, but the more I thought about it, I was so obsessed over this bag that I literally went to go back and get it. So let me go ahead and show you the box. Here you guys go. I picked out a Chanel, and I am so excited. I'm so excited over this piece. So let me go ahead and unbox it. This is not a true unboxing. I've worn it already 4 times. I got it, couldn't wait to wear it. I wasn't ready to do the video. I didn't have any time. I just threw the stuff out of my other bag and just threw it in here, and I was just prancing around. I was so happy. So it comes in this dust bag. It's a stiff dust bag. And then I got this card here, this tag. And this is basically a beige bag. I don't buy beige, but when I saw this iridescent beige, I had to get it. Here is the price. Okay. Here is my authenticity card. I'm going to cover some of the numbers here. There we go. I am so excited. Ta-da! Look at this. I don't know if the video or if the camera is capturing this beautiful color. It is literally a beige iridescent Chanel reissue in the mini rectangular. It is gorgeous, and oh my goodness, I'm telling you, I could not stop thinking about it. And like I said, I wasn't sure if I wanted this color and the metal. This is the what is the metal called? Ruthenium. So this is a ruthenium, I guess that's what it is, metal. I call it gunmetal. But I love how this is so feminine, and this kind of adds to it to give it that oomph in this bag. And it is just so gorgeous. Color just matches with so much of my wardrobe because I wear a lot of pink and a lot of lighter colors. I do love black and stuff, but I've been wearing my outfit around this bag instead of wearing my bags around my outfit. Did I make sense there? I'm not really sure, but look how gorgeous that is. And I have a back pocket. I think on my wallet on chain I don't have a back pocket, and on my other bluish green Chanel I don't have a back pocket. One thing I do like about the reissue is that it does not scream out Chanel, and that's one of the things that I wanted. Well, I wanted a piece that didn't scream out Chanel, even though if I want another one that does. So, and I love the fact that it folds down here. I love the feeling of that. But then if you don't like that, you can also push it in, and you don't have to have it pointed down. But I don't know if you guys are seeing the iridescent on this. It is just so stunning. It is just a stunning piece. Let me go ahead and open the inside. Now, I did say that it was the mini, correct? So, and the inside is just so pretty. Like I said, I've already used it a few times. This bag says it's made in France. I don't know if you can see that. So it's got one big opening plus a zip pocket and then another pocket here. And with this bag, I didn't even use my card holder. I just threw my credit card and my driver's license in here. I threw my cash in there, and then I carried my lipstick and my small perfume and my sunglasses, whatever I needed. It carried all my essentials. So carrying it for 4 days, it just so worked for me. I wanted something small like this because I'm into the little bags lately. Not that I wasn't before, but I was always into little cute bags, okay? I do like my big bags, but this just, oh, this is so beautiful. I do want a light pink Chanel classic bag in this size or a small. I'm not sure if I'm going to buy it pre-loved. I'm not really sure, but I have been obsessing over it as well. But right now, this is what I wanted. If I were to get another Chanel, it'll be down the line, but this is just stunning. So let me go ahead and give you some mod shots on this gorgeous piece. And before I start, I wanted to let you know that Oksana on my YouTube channel, or on her YouTube channel, had purchased an emerald green one just like this. It is gorgeous. I'm going to link her, try to remember to link her video down below, because I just thought that was stunning. And when I saw her video, I was like, oh my God, that's a reissue. I want that bag. And they have the iridescent beige one, and I'm going to go get it. And I think hers is stunning. That emerald green is just, oh my God, that's a gorgeous piece right there. And so, like she says, it's like wearing jewels. And, but when I saw hers, it just pushed me to get mine because I am loving this color as well. So let me go ahead and show you mod shots. Here we go. I am loving this. I thought it was so pretty. Now, I've been wearing it more like this, more to the front. I've been so worried that it's going to get scratched, so I've been moving it to the front so I can kind of baby it a little bit more. I'm assuming this purse will look amazing with black outfits because I just think it's so pretty. And then you can wear it like this, but I've been mainly wearing it like this. It is just so pretty. Oh, it is so pretty, and I'm so excited about it. Oh, I literally went into my closet, started trying all my clothes on and trying this bag at the same time, you guys. I have been just trying a bunch of clothes because I have never gotten a bag this color before, and no regret with this color, even though if this is not the color that I would have normally gotten before. And when I'm telling you, when I saw this, I was like, no, and then obsessed out of the 6 that I've tried on. I did try a pink Gabrielle, and it was gorgeous, but the chain was heavy, but it was gorgeous. There was a pink iridescent and a powder pink, but no, this right here caught my eye. Oh, and then there was a drawstring black bucket bag. It was tiny. It was so cute. That was one of the things that I almost got as well. But nope, my mind kept on going back to this piece here. I'm so excited. So anyways, I am going to end this video. I have things to do. Please subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. And you guys have a wonderful day, and God bless you. Bye.